Britney Spears asked a judge today to end court conservatorship that has controlled her life and money since 2008. For the first time in its 13-year existence, Spears publicly condemned the conservatorship and the people controlling it. She told the court, "I want to end this conservatorship without being evaluated. This conservatorship is doing me way more harm than good. I deserve to have a life." The 39-year-old singer also told the court her father, Jamie Spears, should be in jail and that she was done. But what is a conservatorship? According to the Superior Court of California, conservatorship is a legal concept in the United States. It allows a judge to grant a guardian or guardians control over an individual's finances if that person is physically or mentally unable to manage them on their own. A conservator can be responsible for their conservatee's estate or their person, which would mean that the conservator manages their daily life, living arrangements, health decisions, and more. Britney Spears has had a conservatorship since February 2008, when she was put on an involuntary psychiatric hold following an incident when paparazzi captured her attacking a car with an umbrella. This was the infamous shaved head debacle that saw Spears get widely ridiculed in the media, and she was hospitalized twice. At the time, her father, James, or Jamie Spears, petitioned LA courts for an emergency conservatorship and said his daughter couldn't take care of herself. It was meant to be a temporary move that ended up lasting over a decade. For the majority of that time, other people, mostly her father, but also a lawyer and other entities at various points, had the legal right to oversee every major decision she made. That included matters from business to health, voting, and even marriage. Her father and these other entities, to a lesser extent, also oversaw Spears' financial assets, a fortune worth an estimated $60 million. A few months after her conservatorship was established in 2008, Spears went on to stage a comeback tour, debuted the album Circus, filmed a documentary, and eventually established a permanent tour in Las Vegas. But since 2009, there's been a small segment of fans within a movement called #FreeBritney, who claim that she was being held as a sort of legal hostage. It was a decades-long suspicion held by these fans that was exacerbated in 2020, when a series of New York Times articles and a documentary which hinted that Spears might not be a huge fan of her father acting in the role as conservator were published. Jamie Spears stepped away from handling his daughter's medical decisions in 2019, citing medical problems himself. A woman named Jody Montgomery stepped in, but Spears' father was never officially removed as her conservator by the courts. But the fear held by fans that Spears felt trapped within this conservatorship was confirmed by the pop star today, as she told the court she wanted to marry her boyfriend and have a baby, but it was this conservatorship that would not allow her to do so. About 100 fans from the #FreeBritney movement gathered outside the courthouse before the hearing in support of the singer.